Welcome in this quick technical specs comparison between the JBL Tune 720BT with the Sony WH-CH720N. So what we can learn here, the JBL Tune 720BT is got more weight comparing to Sony. It got 220 grams comparing to Sony 192 grams. Therefore, Sony is better in this regard. The battery life, the JBL Tune is better comparing to the Sony because Sony got up to 35 hours, 50 hours without ANC, but with the battery life of JBL Tune you can have 76 hours. Quick charge is also better for JBL Tune. You can have 5 minutes for 3 hours of playtime, and Sony got quick charge 3 minutes for 1 hour of playtime. Then driver size, can compare it. Bluetooth version is also better for JBL Tune. You can have 5.3. Now, the noise cancelling is really important. For Sony, you're going to have noise cancelling. This is something that you don't have with the JBL Tune 720BT. For both, you have multi-point connection. And then additional features, you're going to have adaptive sound control DSAE. The Sony is just better in this regard. Now, when we're going to compare this, if you're looking for the noise cancelling, digital noise cancelling, better, let's say even the sound, you are looking for more light product, the Sony can be definitely for you. But if you don't mind that you're not going to have noise cancelling, that you don't have, that it's like the weight is going to be a little bit higher, but you have better battery life, then in that regard, the JBL is going to be better choice. So this was a quick comparison JBL Tune with the Sony. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.